Airports can feel like obstacle courses, crowded checkpoints, shifting TSA rules, and surprise fees at every turn. One small mistake at security can derail an entire trip. Picture a passport and phone dropped into a TSA tray that rolls away and disappears. It happens every day. The right knowledge turns that chaos into confidence. Here are 14 travel secrets seniors should know before flying in 2025, from security shortcuts and comfort tactics to real ways to save money. If you value smart, stress-free travel, subscribe to Epic Voyage. The gray plastic tray is the most dangerous place for your smallest valuables. Phones, wallets, passports, jewelry, and hearing aid cases vanish because of distraction, not just theft. Checkpoints ask you to juggle shoes, belts, liquids, laptops, jackets, and conversation with officers, all while the conveyor keeps moving. Once a tray disappears down the belt or gets mixed with others, recovery is rare and time-consuming. Treat small essentials as items that never leave your person. A zippered inner jacket pocket or a flat neck pouch worn under clothing keeps identity documents and cards secured through the entire screening. If you must remove a watch or phone, place it inside your carry-on before it touches the belt. This single habit changes the entire tone of the journey. Instead of searching frantically at the end of the rollers, you collect your bag and walk away, intact and in control. Most travelers stop at the first visible line, which is usually the slowest. Walk a little farther. Scan lanes for patterns. Families with strollers and infrequent flyers typically take longer. Lanes heavy with business travelers move quickly. If you see CT scanners in use, often marked by newer, enclosed machines, choose that lane. These scanners reduce the need to remove laptops and liquids, cutting the steps that cause bottlenecks. Approach the lane with a ready stance. Liquids bag accessible, laptop ready if needed. Shoes that slip off quickly. Empty metal from pockets before the belt. This minute of preparation saves 10 minutes of fumbling on the other side. That time buffer becomes a bathroom stop, a water refill, and a calm walk to the gate instead of a sprint that raises blood pressure and risks a missed final call. TSA Cares is the most helpful program many seniors have never used. It is free, it is nationwide, and it is designed to make screening predictable and dignified. Call at least 72 hours before departure. A trained support officer meets you at the checkpoint, explains each step, and coordinates private or modified screening when devices, implants, or mobility aids are involved. For travelers who fly alone, this removes the most stressful 10 minutes of the entire airport experience. The officer will pace the process to your needs, coordinate with colleagues if further inspection is required, and prevent the rush that causes mistakes. You still follow the same security rules, but the human support adds clarity and calm. That emotional reserve matters later when gates change or boarding queues issue. Long corridors and gate changes are not endurance tests. They are optional when you know what's available. Airlines and airports provide complimentary escort or wheelchair service from check-in to the gate, and on request from the aircraft door to baggage claim. You simply add the assistance at booking or call the airline the day before travel. An attendant guides you through check-in and security and monitors time to make sure you are at the gate well before boarding. This is not a special privilege. It is part of air travel's accessibility standards. It conserves energy for the flight rather than spending it racing between terminals. On connections, it often includes motorized cart rides or priority elevator access. When weather, queues, or gate changes complicate a trip, the Escort becomes the difference between a tense jog and a relaxed transfer. What goes in the bag determines how your body feels at altitude. Keep medications, essential documents, and a spare change of clothes in your carry-on. Checked bags still go missing or arrive late more often than anyone would like to admit. Compression socks improve circulation, reduce swelling, and lower clot risk on long sectors. A light lumbar cushion or compact neck pillow makes rigid seats bearable without taking half your personal item space. Hydration is quietly decisive. Cabins are dry. Mild dehydration magnifies fatigue, irritability, and jet lag. Carry an empty bottle through security and fill it on the other side. Ask for hot water for tea or medication timing if it helps your routine. Small adjustments: eye mask, earplugs, lip balm. Convert economy cabins from noisy, arid boxes into manageable spaces where rest is possible. Clothing is strategy. Slip-on shoes speed the checkpoint and are kinder to feet that may swell in flight. Breathable, layered fabrics regulate temperature swings between chilly cabins and warm terminals. Avoid belts with metal and jackets stuffed with gadgets that trigger secondary checks. Compression socks, again, are not fashion statements. They are circulation aids that prevent heavy leg fatigue on hour 7. A single soft layer, cardigan, light fleece, or shawl solves 2 problems at once. It replaces the scratchy aircraft blanket and avoids rummaging through overhead bins mid-flight for warmth. Pockets that close securely keep boarding passes and reading glasses exactly where you left them. Travel is a sequence of small frictions. The right outfit removes a surprising number of them. Airport restaurants sell indulgence. Pressurized cabins punish it. Heavy, spicy, and salty meals slow digestion and amplify dehydration. Alcohol and excessive caffeine feel celebratory in the terminal and regrettable at 35,000 feet. A light pre-flight meal, grilled chicken or tofu, rice or potatoes, steamed vegetables, bananas or apples, keeps the stomach steady. Hydration before and during the flight does more for post-landing energy than any snack cart purchase. Carry a few safe snacks so you're not forced into last-second choices. Simple crackers, nuts, protein bars, ginger candies, or electrolyte tablets weigh almost nothing and replace pricey, sugary options at the gate. For longer flights, pre-ordering a special meal can bring fresher, earlier service. Vegetarian, low-sodium, or gluten-free options are typically produced in smaller batches and arrive before the main trolley, buying you time to eat, stretch, and settle. Dynamic pricing may feel opaque, but travel patterns still apply. Tuesdays and Wednesdays remain calmer and cheaper on average. Business travel balloons Mondays and Fridays. Leisure trips crowd weekends. Midweek departures also trim lines at security and reduce the struggle for overhead space. If your calendar is flexible, the savings add up over a year, not just a single itinerary. Departure time matters. Early flights are most reliable because aircraft and crews are already in position. Midday suffers from knock-on delays, and late afternoon can stack congestion. Very late evening often regains reliability after the peak subsides, but seniors who prefer daytime routines usually find a morning schedule kinder to body clocks. Arrive rested, not rushed, and every other decision improves. Airlines rarely market senior fares, yet several still offer them by phone or at the counter. The price break is only part of the advantage. These fares often come with friendlier change and cancellation terms than basic economy products that dominate online search results. That flexibility matters when family plans move or health appointments shift. Call the airline before you book anywhere else. Ask directly about senior fares for your city pair and dates. If none are available, at least you confirm seating and baggage rules early, instead of discovering at the airport that your deal includes no full-size carry-on. 2 minutes on the phone can save money on the ticket and hours on the day of travel. The checkbox insurance sold on airline checkout pages is convenient, but rarely the best value. Many seniors already hold credit cards that include trip cancellation, delay coverage, lost luggage reimbursement, or emergency medical benefits when the fare is purchased with that card. Confirm what you have first. Then compare independent policies to cover true gaps, particularly for international medical care and evacuation. Focus on essentials, not fluff. You want clear rules for cancellations due to illness, solid coverage for delays that force an overnight, and realistic baggage limits in dollar terms. Read the definitions pages where eligibility is set. A few minutes of comparison replaces redundant coverage and reclaims real money for experiences at your destination. Airlines earn fortunes selling inches of legroom, but clever timing frequently opens those inches for free. Check in online the moment it opens. That's when unclaimed aisle or exit row seats sometimes appear. If the seat map looks light on your departure day, ask the gate agent about open seats that would make boarding and deplaning easier. Phrase it as a comfort or mobility request, not a demand. The evening before departure can be magical. That's when call centers rebalance cabins after no-show forecasts arrive. A calm, polite request sometimes finds a better row simply because the system is already shifting people. None of this is guaranteed, but it costs nothing and succeeds often enough to be worth the habit. Extra space is the difference between stretching on arrival and limping to baggage claim. A stopover converts dead time into a mini vacation. Certain airlines promote multi-night stays in their hub cities at no additional airfare. Reykjavik on the way to Europe, Istanbul on the way to the Mediterranean, Dubai en route to Asia. Your single ticket covers both segments, and the stop becomes part of the adventure rather than a hurdle. Stopovers suit senior travelers perfectly. They break up ultra-long flights, add a new place without another ticket, and pace the journey so your body keeps up with your curiosity. The key is booking directly with carriers that advertise the option and choosing hotels close to transit that get you into the city quickly. 2 days soaking in a hot spring or exploring a bazaar can change the feel of an entire trip. Airport lounges are no longer a velvet rope. They're a sanity tool. Most sell day passes that include hot food, comfortable seating, clean restrooms, and reliable Wi-Fi. The price often equals what 2 people would spend on terminal snacks and bottled water, and the value grows with every hour of a weather delay. Before paying, check whether a credit card in your wallet includes complimentary visits or discounts. Some cards link to networks that cover multiple brands, meaning you can use whichever lounge is closest to your gate. The goal is not luxury for its own sake. It's a quiet environment where you can recharge devices, hydrate, and board feeling human. That calm demeanor at the door carries into the cabin. Medications travel more easily than many fear. Pills, medical liquids, syringes, and gel packs are allowed in carry-ons, and liquid limits do not apply to medically necessary items. Keep them labeled and, for international routes, bring printed prescriptions. Never check medicine. If you use a cooler pack for insulin or other temperature-sensitive drugs, place it where an officer can see it quickly and mention it at the start of screening. Miles and points are frequently underused. Many programs now allow redemptions for seat upgrades, baggage fees, or even day pass lounge entry. Log in before you book and check whether upgrade with miles beats cash. On the ground, hotels and rental agencies quietly maintain senior discounts, and membership programs such as AARP or AAA stack additional percentages off. Booking a flight hotel bundle through an airline portal sometimes yields a lower combined price and extra miles that fund future trips. The principle is simple. Every booking should earn something, and everything you earn should make the next journey easier. Flying after 60 is not about tolerating discomfort. It is about applying the right playbook. Keep small valuables off the tray and on your person. Choose security lanes intentionally and let TSA cares turn a stressful 10 minutes into a guided, predictable process. Use airport escort services to conserve energy and pack for circulation, hydration, and warmth, so your body arrives in good shape. Eat lightly and time your meals to the cabin environment. Book midweek, preferably early in the day, when crowds thin and schedules hold. Ask for senior fares by phone, rely first on the insurance benefits you already own, and only then add coverage for gaps. Time check-in and gate conversations to catch free seat improvements. Convert long connections into stopovers that make the journey itself a destination. Buy lounge access when it buys you rest. Move medications the smart way and redeem miles and senior discounts so loyalty programs and age-based benefits pay you back. Air travel changes constantly, but the core advantages for senior travelers are stable and real. With these 14 secrets, airports feel smaller, flights feel shorter, and budgets stretch further. If you have a tip that saved your trip, share it in the comments so others can travel better too. For weekly guides that keep you ahead of TSA updates, airline fees, and destination shifts, subscribe to Epic Voyage. Experience should make travel easier, not harder.